Do you want to make your very own giant Lego Christmas tree? Here's what you're going to need. 1 4x4 round flat, 1 2x2 round brick, 8 1x4 sloped bricks, 8 1x2 sloped bricks, 4 2x2 flats, 1 rocket piece, 1 side stud brick, 1 star, and 16 multicolor studs. The first thing you're going to need to do is find some print files. There are a few places online to find Lego STL files. Here are a couple of my favorites. Once you have your files, import them into the slicer and scale them up. Then gather your filament and start printing. To build, start with your 4x4 round, then your 2x2 round, then a layer of 1x4 slopes, each facing a different direction, then a 2x2 flat, then another layer of 1x4 slopes in alternating directions, then another 2x2 flat, a layer of 1x2 slopes, another 2x2 flat, the final layer of 1x2 slopes, and your last 2x2 flat. Then the rocket piece and the side stud brick. Now add all of your Christmas lights and your star at the top, and you have your very own giant Lego Christmas tree.